One day you walk outside to go cut your grass and you go to start your lawnmower and you're pulling on that rope and it's stuck. You think your engine's seized. Don't freak out yet. Not yet. First of all, make sure you're holding that brake handle down. Do this first before you start panicking. Just take your spark plug wire off, your lead off of there. Tip your lawnmower over and have a look underneath. If you want to see a video, that proper way to tip your lawnmower over, that's a different video. I got that video underneath of this video in the pinned comment section and in the description if you want to check that out too. There are some times you're going to see the blade is jammed like that. And you can't move your blade back and forth, and that is jamming your engine. It is simple as that. It could be a big piece of dried grass stuck in there in your blade. It could be a root, a stick, a lump of dirt, something like that. Obviously, I put that chunk in there right there just to prove a point. I have seen this come in the shop many times in my life where that is all the problem is. Something stuck in that blade. You pull that handle down and there's nothing interfering with your blade and the engine is still seized. Now you can panic. Now it's time to freak out. My engine's seized. But that's another video all by itself. Go back to my playlist on my channel. Check out my lawnmower playlist for more lawnmower videos. Just a quick thing to check right there. I hope you like that. Maybe a thumbs up button right there, a like button. Share this with your friends. Like I said, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hey, you want to watch something else right now? Hey, let's go with the video on tipping this thing over properly. That's a very popular video. Right there, click on that little square next for your next video. And I think that I'm done. Cheers, Steve out.